Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to trade Solana meme coins using Vector app. Imagine turning a few dollars into life-changing gains just by trading Solana meme coins. Sounds crazy, right? But in the world of crypto, it happens every day. The question is, how do you catch these opportunities before they are gone? That's where the Vector app comes in. Your ultimate tool for sniping, swapping and securing profits like the top traders. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned degen, this app gives you an edge in the fast-moving Solana meme coin market. In this video, I will be showing you exactly how to trade Solana meme coins using Vector app, from setting up your wallet to making your first winning trade. So if you are ready to ride the next moonshot, stay tuned. Now to get started, move over to your Chrome browser. I'll also be dropping the link in the description so that you don't make use of a scam link. Make sure you are using the right vector link to create this account. So I already copied mine, so move over to your Chrome browser, paste it. Once you paste, you load it. Once you load, you will see you have to download it. If you are using, you can download with App Store and you can download with Google Play. So I'll be using Google Play. So downloading. Let me fast forward this one. We're done downloading. So we just open. Then you will be asked to continue with X, yeah, your Twitter account, or you continue with Google, or you continue with email or Apple. So I'll be continuing with my Twitter account. So I will click on X. Then you'll be asked to authorize. Actually have an account on Vector app already, but I'm using another of my sister's account to create this account for you. You were referred by, this is my original account. You were referred by Chibaby 02418942. You click on let's fucking go. Then let's start from here. You can choose to follow plus three top traders. You can choose to follow them or you follow top 20. So let's just click on follow top 20. Then you're following them already. You can click continue. You can also, as you follow them, if you want to be getting notification on every trade or every trade they make, when they buy and when they sell and when they make a broadcast, you can choose to get notification for trades. Clicked on it. Yeah. Then you can choose to continue. Then please turn on notifications, FOMO alert and everything. So I'll turn on notifications. Allow. Then it said deposit funds. Because this is a new account, you remember I'm not making use of my main account. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I'll be depositing a small amount of Solana so we can be able to can be able to understand what I'm explaining. But let's assume we want to deposit cash. So if you want to deposit with cash, like debit cards, you can use this one. Then if you want to deposit from crypto wallet, you can click on this receive from wallet, receive via wallet. So let's click on via wallet. So what I'm about to remember, this app is not just for Solana meme coins, but for the purpose of this video, is Solana we're supposed to copy. So I'll just click on copy. And once I click on copy, I will go to an either exchange, wherever you have your Solana coin in. If it's on exchange or another Solana wallet, your Phantom, You can just go there, deposit. You can just go there and withdraw Solana to this wallet. Then let me explain the features of this app before sending some Solana to this place. Okay, so once you click on newest will show you the latest broadcast people actually made. So let's open this one. Deimos. Now, Deimos bought this guy bought $100 worth of this coin, autism coin, at 13K market cap. So this person actually bought $4 worth of this token at 165 market cap. Then when you scroll down, you see other broadcasts. Then the next one is following to show people you're actually following the broadcast they made. At this newest, it comprises of both the people you are following and people you are not following. But this following are broadcasts made by people you're actually following. Then when you click on groups, I don't belong to any group here, but someone already sent me a group link to join his close group. Let's touch it. I don't know the person actually. So before you join any group, always make sure you trust the person. So I'm not going to be joining this group. So I'm going to be deleting that. But with my main account, I actually have groups that I joined. There is this guy's group that I belong to, Function. The guy actually drops good calls. I'll be dropping a link to his group invite in the description box. So if you want to join his group, you can always feel free to fill the form to join his group. Click on this please. If you want to create a new group, if you want to create a new group, you can actually create a new group and add people you want to be in your group. Then the next feature we are going to be checking is this search feature. And when you come to this search feature, you first of all see tokens. These are the listed tokens. When you scroll down, you see a lot of tokens here. Then you can actually pick if you want to buy any token you've actually researched on. Let's assume you want to buy this XMP. You can actually touch it. When you touch it, you will see buy here. When you click buy, because we don't have any Solana to buy any token here, that's why it's telling me to deposit token. So I need to have Solana in this wallet to be able to purchase any token. So assuming you already have Solana here, you will just go ahead to put the amount of Solana you want to use to purchase the token. Then you go ahead and buy the token and the purchase will be executed. So that's just it. Then let's go back. And you see this demon here. It's actually off. It's actually turned off. But if you turn it on like this is new token. The tokens that are not yet in the market, new tokens that are yet to be launched. Let's assume those that are still in pump.fun. So when you click, these are new ones. Can you see them? So some of them have not even. Can you see them? Then if you click on about to graduate that once migrate, you can see this one is migrating. This one people have actually finished buying, is about to migrate and enter market. So if you use pump.fun, you understand what I'm trying to explain. Then when you click on graduated, you will see tokens that have actually launched. You can see Marine, Truth. Then the next one are traders. These are your fellow traders on this app with their profit they've made with the profit they've made in the last 24 hours. So if you want to check a week time frame for a week, you can also see just by clicking this place, this drop down under traders. But let me keep it in a day. With this, you can actually know people that are actually making good profit. Everything is just transparent here. We can make research on traders that are actually making good profit. They're actually dropping good calls. Then you know people that you can always enter their call and people you can always follow. Then the next one is broadcast. Broadcast made within 5 minutes ago. Then if you want to know see broadcast made within 1 hour, you can always change it. You will see everything. But let me put it back to five with the 5 minutes time frame. Then sorry, I'll put it to 5 minutes time frame. If you want to see people that made broadcast within the last 5 minutes, you will see them here. Then if you want to see 1 hour interval, you can always switch it. But let me put it back to 5 minutes. Then the next feature we are going to be explaining is this one in the middle, the wallet section. Assuming we've already deposited our Solana into this wallet, we'll be seeing the amount, the our balance, the coins we hold, everything. Assuming I already bought a coin here, you'll be seeing the coins I hold in this wallet here. The coins I hold in this app over here. If you want to send Solana a coin out of this place, it's just very simple. Click on send. Then if you already have the coin in mind, then just paste the wallet address here. And that's all. No magic. Then if I want to deposit coin in this wallet, I already explained that before. Just to click on receive button, then you click on Solana, then you click this copy arrow here, and that's all. You copy, then go to wherever you have Solana and deposit into the wallet. The next feature we're going to be explaining is this star. So star, this means if you, let's assume you use a desk screener and you have maybe you have some tokens you are watching that you added to your watch list and you want to bring them over here. You can always bring them over here to watch them here. I don't know if you get me. Then the next feature we are going to be checking is this notification. I got this notification from the people I'm following. You remember when we are creating this account, we when we were creating this account, they brought out about 20 top traders that we can follow, and we followed, and we also turned on the notification bell so that we can be getting notification whenever they make a broadcast or whenever they buy a token or whenever they sell a token. If you play around this app, you will be able to understand more. It's actually very easy. It's actually very, very easy to understand. And that's a wrap on how to trade Solana meme coins using the Vector app. Remember, always trade responsibly and make sure to do your own research before jumping into any meme coin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more trading tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.